If you're a TikTok user who loves posting videos, going live, and interacting with your audience, you can turn your account into a source of income. TikTok rewards creators for sharing content, and if you do it right, you could earn a significant amount. Let's dive into how to monetize your TikTok account directly from your Android phone. First, open the TikTok app, then go to the profile section in the bottom right. Tap the three line in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Account. Here you'll find an option called Switch to Business Account. Switching to a business account will help you manage your content more effectively, and it will make monetization easier. So switch to the business account. Now you will see a few prompts explaining to you about the business account. Read all that and hit Next. Keep hitting Next for the rest of the prompts as well. After that, choose a category for your business account. Once you're done, hit Next. Follow the next few steps to set up your business account. After that, let's go back to your TikTok app main page and go to the profile section in the bottom right. Tap the three line in the top right corner, and this time tap on TikTok Studio. In here, you will see the monetization section. Tap View All next to it. Now you will see the categories of the programs you can apply to monetize your profile. You'll need to meet a certain criterion first to be eligible. So tap on Get Notified when I'm eligible and select all programs. That will make sure you get notification when your videos meet the certain requirements of TikTok. After that, you'll be able to earn from them. Now at the top of this page, you will see the amount of money you have earned so far. So basically, when this amount of money reaches the certain required amount, you'll be able to cash in that money to your bank account. And that will start your money-making journey on TikTok. So guys, that's how you can monetize your TikTok account and hopefully start earning some money. I really hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, don't forget to hit that like button. Your support means a lot. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.